Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick English. My name's Nick.
And I am Kat. We are very happy you are here with us once more. Thank you for choosing to learn English with Quick English. We use only simple, easy words and speak slowly so you can understand clearly and improve your skills comfortably.
Today we bring you a completely new topic. We will talk about family traditions, food recipes, friendship, and goals. This is going to be another long, fun, and useful conversation. Let's get started.
First, family traditions. Traditions are special things families do together. Nick, what traditions does your family have?
Every weekend, my family eats dinner together. We talk about our week. On birthdays, we bake a cake and sing songs. During festivals, we visit grandparents and share stories. These traditions make us closer.
In my family, we have a tradition to plant one tree every year. We also cook special food on weekends and invite neighbors. Traditions create beautiful memories that last forever.
Traditions can be small or big, saying good morning, helping with housework, or celebrating small achievements. They give us a sense of belonging and love.
Now, food recipes. Food is a big part of culture and daily life.
I like simple recipes. For breakfast, I make eggs with bread and vegetables. It is quick and healthy. My mother makes rice with chicken and soup. It is delicious.
I enjoy making fruit salad. Cut apple, banana, orange, mix with yogurt. Very easy and sweet. Cooking together with family is fun and teaches responsibility.
When we learn English, we can follow English recipes. Read the ingredients, follow the steps. This is good practice for reading and listening.
Yes, food brings people together. Sharing recipes is a nice way to make new friends.
Next, friendship. True friendship is very valuable.
A good friend listens to you, helps you, and makes you laugh. I have friends who play with me, study with me, and share secrets. We support each other in good and bad times.
Friends can be from school, neighborhood, or even online. With friends, we learn teamwork, honesty, and kindness. Sometimes we fight, but true friends forgive and make up.
In English, we can say, "You are my best friend," or "Thank you for helping me." Practicing these sentences with real friends improves speaking.
Now, goals. Goals are things we want to achieve.
My goal is to speak English fluently. I also want to read many books and travel to new places. Small goals like finishing homework on time help us reach big goals.
I have goals to study well, play sports better, and help my parents more. Write your goals on paper. Look at them every day. Work hard step by step. Never give up.
Goals give us direction and motivation. Celebrate when you achieve small goals. This keeps us happy and moving forward.
Let's connect the topics. Family traditions create strong bonds. Food recipes bring joy. Friendship supports us. Goals help us grow. All these things make life meaningful.
Now, practice these sentences with us. Repeat after us slowly.
I like cooking simple recipes.
A good friend is always there for me.
I have clear goals for my future.
I practice English every single day.
Never give up on your dreams.
Fantastic. Keep practicing these sentences regularly.
Friends, English opens doors to understand traditions, share recipes, build friendships, and achieve goals across cultures.
We create these long videos so you have enough time to listen, repeat, and feel confident.
Please support our channel, like this video, subscribe to Quick English, turn on the notification bell, and share with others who want to learn.
Now, write in the comments, what is one family tradition you have? What is your favorite simple recipe? Who is your best friend? What is one of your goals?
We read your comments and make future videos based on what you love.
Thank you for staying with us through this long episode. You are doing great.
Keep good traditions, enjoy food, value friends, chase your goals, and practice English daily.
See you in the next big episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.